Hey guys, this is Dr. Zach, your Roseville chiropractor, and I'm here today to talk about 5 easy stretches that you can do to help decrease your low back pain today. These stretches are very easy to do. They only take about 20 or 30 seconds to complete, and they can be done by anyone of any age at any time. Hope you enjoy the video and make sure that you subscribe.
Alright, the first stretch I'm going to show today is just a simple hamstring stretch, and this is going to help with like low back pain down here by your SI joint, like that. This is a simple stretch to do. You can do this while you're sitting at work or anywhere else. So what you're going to do is put your heels down on the ground like this, have your legs straight, and you're going to lean over like that. And you do that one leg, one side, and you can also do it on the other side right here. And the good thing about this is you can feel the stretch down the hamstrings right here, which helps your low back pain. You can also get a stretch up in your paraspinal muscles up here. Kind of helps stretch it out and helps release some pain up in there. Alright, so the second stretch I'm going to show today is this Piriformis stretch. Now this is really good for pain down, kind of similar area, down into the SI joints in the low back. It's also good for pain if you have pain down into your butt cheek, right, and deep in the glutes right here. That's where the Piriformis is. And this is a pretty easy stretch. You can also do this while you're sitting at work. You just cross your leg over, do the figure 4 position right here, and you kind of lean forward, and then you want to just bring your leg towards you. And you should be able to feel a nice stretch right near deep butt cheek right there. And the same thing, you can do this on either side right here. Same thing, pull your leg towards you. Make sure you want to get this down as far as possible. If you can't do that, you can also pull your leg like this. And that'll also kind of do the similar thing right in there too. Alright, the third stretch I'm going to show today is a quad stretch. And this is really good because it helps stretch out the muscles in the front of your leg right here. Also kind of helps get the psoas up in here. So what you're going to do, you balance yourself, you want to stand on one leg. Just grab with the same leg, the same side right here, and you want to pull back, and you should feel a stretch up in the front of your leg right here. If you want to get more of the hip flexors up here, the psoas and some other muscles up in there, you can kind of push your hip forward too. And it's kind of like a double stretch up there. I really like that for that. So that's really helpful for low back pain. Alright, the fourth stretch I'm going to show today is a good stretch. So kind of what we talked about earlier with that quad stretch, this is just more specifically for that hip flexor area right here. Maybe sometimes in the groin area, sometimes you can have some pain, especially with some low back pain. This is really good for this. So what you're going to do is get a kneeling, like you're kneeling down like you're in a football practice, something like that, and you want to get in this position. And push your hip forward, and then you can bring your the same arm to the side and kind of lean over and twist too. And you should be able to find exactly where it's stretching for you. And that's kind of where a good stretch is, like that. And you want to hold that position from there. And you do the same thing on the other side too. Alright, the last stretch, the fifth stretch we're going to show today, it's kind of a hybrid between a stretch and exercise, which is actually my favorite, and I think it helps most people. And this is just called a prone press up, and sometimes similar to a cobra stretch. So what we're going to do is you're going to lay face down, get in a position like this. You can do this on your bed, you can do this on the ground, and you're just going to push up, and just come up and come down. And you can just repeat this, do about 10 times every couple hours. It's just pretty simple, just come up and down. The thing is, you want to make sure that your hips, the front of your hips, are staying on the ground. So you don't want to go like that. You want to keep those hips on the ground. You're just trying to get a good stretch in your back. Feel a good stretch in your abs too. It's really good for low back pain. It really helps me a lot, actually. I do this quite a bit to help my low back pain.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video today. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any more content. We're going to have some more videos rolling out pretty soon. You're not going to want to miss them.